Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Arc Raiders, online services are currently unavailable with the error code ARSB0003, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So first off, you're going to close your game, and after that you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet here, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just click onto your network connection, right click on it, click properties, and then just click onto Internet Protocol version 4 and then click properties. Go into use the following DNS server addresses. Write in the preferred DNS server here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 8.8.4.4. Click OK, click OK again, and now disable your network device. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, enable it. Wait for it to connect then, and once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and play Arc Raiders, and you'll see that you will not get that annoying Arc Raiders error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.